Welcome back. I'm still Walt the Realtor with Coldwell Banker here in Springfield, Missouri, and we are closing in on the number one most asked home buyer question. But first, we got to tackle question number two. So far, we've discussed credit scores, down payments, and whether you should wait for prices or interest rates to drop before you buy. If you missed any of those, click the link up in the top right corner of the screen to get caught up. But if you're watching this video someplace other than YouTube, like Facebook or Instagram, for example, you're not going to see that link. So you're going to need to head over to youtube.com/@WaltTheRealtor to find all my videos. But for now, let's get after question number two. So this is probably a good time for me to say that this is a big reason that you should hire a realtor. That said, I'd like you to keep this in mind. The only way to figure out how much a house is truly worth is to see how much someone is willing to pay for it. It's worth what the market will bear. Now, as a home buyer, I know that doesn't help you much, but there are a few things that we can do. When a realtor is hired to sell someone's house, they complete a comparative market analysis, or a CMA, to help determine how to price the house. They look at similar houses in the area that have sold over the last 2 or 3 months, and they set a price based on the sales prices they find. Now, of course, they're representing the seller, so they usually try to maximize the sale price as much as possible. So they might pick a price up at the upper end of that range. As a buyer's agent, there's no reason I can't also do a CMA on a house that you're interested in, so we can see how we think it should be priced. And if my CMA gives a radically different price point than their CMA, then there may be some goofiness afoot. But maybe not. We might just disagree. I tend to dig deeper than most when I'm working up a CMA. I give fair credit to upgrades, but I also penalize for problems. For example, if we're looking at a house that has a 20-year-old roof, we need to take that into account because you're going to be buying a brand new roof pretty soon. I also look at pricing trend lines over time. So if sales prices have been flat, then I won't adjust my CMA in either direction. But if things are trending up or down, I'll adjust accordingly. We can also estimate a home's value with a little basic math by checking the price per square foot. For example, here in the Springfield, Missouri area, a typical house in good shape in a decent neighborhood will often be priced somewhere between $165 and $175 per square foot of living space. Now, I've seen plenty of homes outside of that range here in this area. And a lot of times it's dependent on the size of the house, how nice the house is or not, how nice the neighborhood is or not, and sometimes it's the size of the yard. So for example, if you have two identical homes, but one of them's on 1/8 of an acre and the other one's on 3 acres, the one with the larger lot is going to have a higher price tag. So if the living space is exactly the same, the price per square foot is going to be skewed because you're buying 3 acres. You might also see houses that are recategorized due to a renovation. For example, someone may buy a 3-bedroom house and convert the walk-in closet in 1 bedroom into a laundry room that's now accessible from the hallway. Since that room doesn't have its own closet anymore, it's not legally a bedroom anymore. Or they might convert the smallest bedroom into a giant walk-in closet and attach it to the room next door. So they're gaining a big closet, but they're losing a bedroom. So even though they were just changing the house to better suit their own needs, they converted a 3-bedroom house into a 2-bedroom house. And since there's less demand for 2-bedroom houses, you would expect that the price per square foot would come down. So if we see a house that's priced outside of the normal price range compared to houses similar to the one we're looking at, we're going to ask ourselves why that's the case. And if we can't come up with a good reason just by digging deeper, there's no harm in asking the seller's agent to explain their pricing. We could even ask the seller's agent to share their CMA with us. If they won't share it, I can always give them a copy of my CMA and tell them, here's the price I came up with. Tell me why I'm wrong. Now, this process should either help us feel okay about the asking price or it won't. If it doesn't, then we'll walk away. Well, hopefully that makes you feel more confident when it comes time to putting an offer down on a house. And if you found this helpful, be sure to give me a like so YouTube will share this video with other folks that have the same questions you have. And now we're finally getting down to it. Question number 1 will be dropping next week. Once it's available, I'll add a link to it at the end of this video. But if the link's not there, then the video is not there yet either. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get a notification when I post the video. And again, if you're on Facebook or Instagram right now, you're not going to see those links at all. So head over to youtube.com/@WaltTheRealtor to visit my channel. And if you have any questions about pricing a house that I didn't address here, leave me a comment so I can address it. And if you'd like to schedule a time to get together or chat on the phone, click the QR code on your screen. That'll take you to my website, walttherealtor.com. All my contact information is there, and I'm always happy to help. I'm Walt the Realtor with Coldwell Banker here in Springfield, Missouri. Thanks for watching. See you next time.